I'm about to keep you warm. Come tonight, let's match fire. I'll touch just to feel. Why is it easier to burn than it is to give?
Hi all of you. This is the lesson from the 7th class. Lesson from the 7th class, unit 1. The town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse lives in town, country mouse lives in country, which means a village. Here if you see the pictures, the way of style, the mouse which is living in the town. Here we find the trams, buses, lorries, buildings, lights, street lights, etc. Those all we find in the town. Again in the village side, if you see this man way of dressing, this is dhoti and so on. Again here trees, animals, very greenery. What the food is available, root and sugar cane. Again the train which is moving around. So like this we find two differences in the town mouse and the country mouse lesson. The climate is very pristine, very good climate, as it is having the polluted or very rushy or sound pollution etc. we find in this region, town region. So as we are having, this is the writer has taken that these two mouses as a human beings. These two mouses as a human beings. Town mouse and the country mouse. One day it was feeling very ill and headache, very sick. That's why doctor advised this town mouse to go to village side and take rest for a week. So that's why it has written the letters, cousin, I am town mouse. They both are cousins. Cousin, I am town mouse. I wanted to take rest because doctor advised me to rest in your inner countryside. So like that it has written the letter. Soon after that, it also replied to come back. So after receiving the letter, it started to come. It packed his luggage and caught the next train. When the train was started, there was no AC block. Only general walk are there. In that it started to come. It was so hot. It feels like that since the people living in the town will be in the ACs and so on. That's why it wanted to travel in the AC coach, but it was very hot. It was feeling, I am very bad luck. I should have not traveled in the general. Okay, that's why after getting down, it was waiting. Country mouse was waiting. Oh, sister, it is very cold, very hot. I would like to have some water, very cool water or some other things. Do you have any cool water, lemonade or orange juice? Like that it was requested. But it gave reply, sister, I don't have like that. I have only some water. Next, I will look around if there is a coconut water for you. Like that it was telling. So after that, after reaching home, it is asking, sister, where is your house? That is the hole, mouse hole. Here we live like this way. During the night, it is asking, what I have to eat? Then it gave some sugar cane, piece of sugar cane and tender bit of sugar cane, one root as a food. It did not like. Simply it nibbled and threw away. Okay. Sister, where I want to sleep? There. In the hole, aside, sleep there. We live in the country like this only. So live like that. Sleep like that. In the night it was very dark, very silent. Since in the village side there is no sound of buses, trams, cars, etc. Aeroplanes. It was so quiet. Silence is very fearful for every human being or anybody. By not hearing anything, it was so silent, it could not control. It got up. Sister, why it is so quiet here? Like that it asked. Then sister is telling, it is very less. In olden days, our country village is the whitest village in our district. People used to say, my grandfather told me, do you know that? And that he told. Anyway, next morning, early morning, it asked, sister, is the breakfast ready? It I have seen everywhere, nothing is there. Then it told, again I will go around the field. I will bring something to eat if it is available. Did not think to eat. It decided to go away. It packed everything. Sister, I would like to go back. And go. Then it went away. Next, after some days, after they are living like that, it had written letter. Oh, I think everything is fine. It has written letter. I think everything is fine with you. I would like to come and visit your place. Like that. Then it had given the telegram. Since it was busy, the town telegram is through the post office. With some codes it will be written. Overjoyed. Come soon. Like that. These are the two words. Overjoyed. Come soon. Telegram words they are. Code words. Code language. So like that it has given. Then it started. It went there. After going to town. The town. During the night it could not sleep. Why? It is very darkness and very silent in the countryside. But here, day long or night, every time buses, cars, trams, aeroplanes, everything will be moving. The street lights are like that, lighting. Like the daytime, in the midnight also there are lights and so on. That's why it is asking, sister, why these all the lights are there? Why don't you? Why the people are in the midnight also moving? Why it is happening like that? I had asked. It is town. People will live like this only. They live. Even in the midnight lights will be there like that. Cat replied. Then, any morning, it wanted to eat something. Sister, is there any breakfast? Then, oh, I have different kinds of the breakfast. Do you want to eat? Yes. Then it is telling. Here, bread, jam, again ice, cold water, again some pieces of the cheese also there is. Whatever you want, you eat like that. Then suddenly, when they thought of eating, suddenly there was a sound like oh my God. Sister, come. They both went to the kitchen compound in the corner. They both are hiding. Then it was breathing like anything. Like that. When it was breathing like that, it is telling that, what happened? Hey, don't know. Then the owner closed the door and went away. Then they both came. They thought of eating again. Touched the food. Again there was a sound. Then both again came back. They both came back and 3-4 times, 3 or 2, 3, 4, 5 times like that it was happened. Then it decided, oh my God. It is very horrible to hear. It is not safe to live here. At least if I am in the countryside, I can get a sugar cane, a piece of sugar cane, or tender bit of sugar cane, or this route, at least I can get, but here I can't. So I would like to go away. Next, he asked the town mouse, shall I go away? Shall I go away? I will go away. Please leave me like that. Then they both, it had gone to the country place. It is living happily. Then the country mouse is living in the countryside. Afterwards, they both never met each other any time in their life. So, people are like this. In the countryside, the countryside will be liked by the people. Again, town people will like town region. So, hereafter, this is the lesson. Town mouse and the country mouse, just it is described by the author, how the country people and village people will be. So all of you, I think you like it. Please share, subscribe for my promotion. Thank you all.